I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by setting Colab to GPU and mounting drive so data stays persistent. This saves time and avoids re-uploading. Once done, clone the Yolo repository and install required Python packages. These provide the training code and augmentation tools. Then move your annotated dataset into the repo path on Drive and verify class names and labels. TXT. Make sure to check file paths now, because incorrect paths are the most common early failure. Next, you convert or confirm annotation format and create train/validation splits so evaluation is reliable. Correct format affects loss computation. Once your data, YAML lists train, val, and number of classes, choose a model configuration or pre-trained weights to leverage transfer learning. This speeds convergence. Then tune image size, batch, and epochs to match GPU memory. Smaller batches require gradient accumulation. Finally, run a short dry training to confirm everything executes, and that loss decreases initially. Now start the full training and watch training loss and validation MAP. These metrics tell you if the model is learning. If performance stalls, adjust augmentation, learning rate schedule, or resume from the best checkpoint to continue. Once finished, export the final weights or convert to ONC/TensorRT for deployment. If training fails, first inspect label files, data, YAML paths, and batch size mismatches. Then check CUDA memory errors. Fixing those resolves most common.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.